Hey everyone, friends. On the Valor channel, today I'll show you how to fix offline video not working without internet on YouTube. To do this, go to Settings, then go straight to General. Actually, not General. There should be video downloads here. There, offline, we see offline. And here you need to uncheck this box because if you're not downloading over Wi-Fi. Because if it's enabled, videos won't download over mobile data. It should be in this position like I have now. Next, if this still doesn't help, go to the App Store and make sure you have the latest version of YouTube. To do this, go to YouTube and check. I don't have the latest version, so you need to update it like this. Next, check if there are any updates on your phone. To do this, go to General Settings, System Update, and update your iOS. Next, if none of this helped, try restarting your phone or find it in YouTube settings and just delete it. Or you can just delete it from the home screen like this and restart. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing everyone a good life. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone.